one member paid the subscription for 2021 dollars. So then altogether you had 50,000 cash in the Village Warriors and you had not paid any expenses.
So businesses using probabilities to take decisions about their future, on which product to launch, on which project to start, likewise.
If the authorities ever ask, what I would say is, this 20 million I have is the income or is the revenue I earn from selling this painting to Mr. C. And we are going to see what are the ways and how it's going to impact on our business. That is first one, environmental scanning. Scanning करना So we discussed about not-for-profit organization, the differences, subscription account, licensing account, then the admission fees, donation, resistant payment, as well as income and expenditure account and the SOS fee. There are few areas that you need to remember. You need to remember differences between the NPOs and the POs. So which I have given there. And in POs, you have the cash book and the PNL. Instead of in the NPOs, what do you have? Resistant payment account as well as the income and expenditure account. Right, Raman. So then I will be uploading MCQ. Because why employer has the investment fee? Because their fund value, because the benefit is not fixed. So benefit is depending on the benefit that you get will be depending on the quality of your investment. So if your investment earning higher return, the value of the fund will go high, the amount you will be getting will be also much higher. But in case if your investment makes losses,
So when I add probability of A, I get this part, the intersection part. And when I am coloring B, same thing, I covered that one as well. Okay. So intersection B is covered twice. So I need to remove one. A intersection B. A intersection B. Now this is the probability of A union B. O addition law, O law. Right. Okay. So keep this formula in your mind. A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. First one, mathematical certainty. Mathematical certainty. Okay, so which we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, mathematical certainty. Next one, the past experience. Based on the past experience that we have, like we can assess the probability. Next, the researchers, experiments, surveys, okay, something where we are taking a sample out of the population and doing a research.
Give me 20 million. It is my 20 million that I have with me. Then what happens to Mr. C's 20 million? Now, on record, it is shown that he paid 20 million for a painting. Papers වල තියෙන මෙහෙම මෙයා 20 million දීලා painting එකක් ගත්තා කියලා. But in reality what happens is he never gave me the money. So what does he use that money for? He would use that money for financing. I think you now have a clear idea as to what money laundering is all about. Fair enough? Regardless of who is committing the offense, If the offense is committed in Sri Lanka, then those people are also covered under this act. These three are very, very, very important. Write it down, highlight, underline, write it again in italics and spread gold dust over it because it is that important. You have to remember these objectives of the act. Right? Let's move on. This section 2. What are these? Then we move on to section 3. A person, this is the offense again. If a person attempts to do this, aids someone else to do this, abets someone else to do this, conspires with, again, කුමන්ත්‍රණ කරනවා නම් කවුරු හරි එක්ක මේක කරන්න, උත්සාහ කරනවා නම් මේක කරන්න, උදව් කරනවා නම් තව කෙනෙක්ට මේක කරන්න, that would also count as the same offense, and those offenses are recognized in this act, and they are also punishable. They are also punishable by the same punishments. For example, I need to get past my exam. That's my goal. But I need to get a 75 plus mark. So business management in this year exam, that is a smart objective. So you have to be always specific and measurable and quantifiable in terms of the numbers, and that is called an objective. Our main examples are what? Orals, orals tourism, orals T, objects. So let's say T is key and withdrawers. Right. Having said that, so the place where these two people get interact is called a financial market. So now in a nutshell, what you need to know in terms of financial market is that